Hello, myself Maulik Patel. Today I am here to address my contribution to the project. Myself, Vritti, Vinay, and Pooja were part of the team. The project is on social media marketing and advertising. To begin with, Lee Wang is our client and she runs a garment shop for women in particular. Since she is not really involved with technology, she needs a social media approach for promotes her business. The project aims to improve the business through the formulation of digital marketing and promotional campaigns. I am appointed as a web developer in this project as I have relevant experience and knowledge. I am responsible for developing website for a college boutique by utilizing HTML, CSS and PHP platforms. It is the main product of the project. Also needs to troubleshoot website problems. The project started on 27th of July 2020 and has ended on 23rd October 2020. There were three sprints. In sprint 1, I worked for 25 hours. In sprint 2 and 3, I worked for 90 and 30 hours respectively. In the first step, which is the project initiation phase, we have project based on our skills. I understand project and customer needs deeply. We also have a meeting to discuss on assigning the roles to each individual. We selected Riddhi Patel as a project manager. She allocated roles to each member on the basis of the skills they possess. We have developed the project storyboard and roadmap in the planning stage of the project, which is really useful because it directs us on how we can achieve the task in the following sprints. So, I was responsible for writing the objectives and the vision statement for the project. The next step is the implementation of the project. In order to incorporate the project, we have used the agile methodology. We can build and improve in each sprint because of this approach. Sprint 1 is all about analyzing our client's social media page and also to examine social media pages of competitors on various platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Sprint 2 is about developing website and providing our client AdWord promotion strategy. Sprint 3 is about promoting Ecoless Boutique on different social media platforms. In order to incorporate the project, we have implemented an agile approach. The project is divided into three sprints. In sprint 1, we examine different businesses on various social media. Sprint 2 is about developing a website for the Ecoless Boutique. Sprint 3, advertising Ecoless Boutique on different social media channels. In sprint 1, each individual has evaluated one of the social media platforms. I was responsible for examining clothing businesses on LinkedIn and developing dashboard for it. Also, I was given a task to perform research on digital marketing and advertising strategies. This is the LinkedIn analysis dashboard. This dashboard helps our client to know more about the other businesses on LinkedIn. The client just has to click on name of the business from the list provided and she can get all the details about how the particular business is doing on LinkedIn. The reason behind choosing Power BI is because Power BI Desktop is a free self-service data analysis and report authorizing tool that I can install on my Windows computer. I can also able to share reports using Power BI. Various features are also available to make dashboard more interactive. Also, I was responsible for performing research on digital marketing and advertising strategies. I have made a report and listed some of the strategies that are mostly used these days. I have also recommended client on how she can advertise her products on Instagram. While researching on strategies, I also need to consider that client is not much into the technology, so she might not be able to grasp such strategies that she is not familiar with, as she knows a bit feature of Facebook and Instagram. So I suggested her to implement strategies that are linked with Facebook and Instagram. In Sprint 2 and 3, I need to develop a website which is the main product of the project. A website not only lets small companies advertise and market their goods and services, it also encourages them to differentiate from their competitors. I have used waterfall methodology for creating the website. The reason why we chose waterfall methodology was our client was very busy and could not be in regular touch with us. So we gathered all the requirements from her at once before the beginning of the development of website. After gathering all the requirements, we designed the website and implemented all the client requirements. After the implementation, we showcased our product to client for verification and assured her for the maintenance in case of any bugs in the future. There are some of the These are some of the features of website. I have used HTML and CSS, HTML, CSS and PHP platforms in order to develop it. According to client's requirement, I made a simple website with landing page. We haven't included shopping cart option because client doesn't want us to do. It contains two pages, which is home and contact page. Home page contains information about the business. In addition, it also displays best collections and popular outfits. Customer can make the unique style blows by contacting the team of Accolades Beauty. The other page is Contact Us. This page contains all the contact details of Accolades Beauty, such as location of shop, email address, and business hour. Facebook is also linked to the website. Creating user manual is important because our client is not technological friendly. So if she needs help in future, she can refer it. I have created user manual for our client on how to make dashboards using Power BI and how one can gain insights from it. Another is step-by-step process on how social media analytic tools such as Sprout Social can be used to get insight of her own social media account. The last is about how to use features of Facebook and Instagram to promote her business. Documentation is the last phase of the project. At the beginning of Sprint 2, we have distributed all tasks for Project Writer so that we can start writing the tasks done in the previous sprint. I was responsible for writing project objectives. Also, I was asked to write limitations, applications, and recommendation part. I was a wonderful. It was a wonderful opportunity to work with all the stakeholders. First of all, I want to thank all my teammates for giving me the chance to play the web developer role. It encouraged me to learn HTML, CSS, and PHP languages. I am looking forward to enhance my career as a web developer. Secondly, I have understand how professional relationships should be maintained. Thirdly, I also learned social media analytic tools such as Sprout Social. In this course, there should be an additional assessment task which would be working in an industry for 20 hours per week so that students should have exposure to industrial work. Working with my team has been a fantastic experience. Also, I am grateful to Naga and Nordiana for helping us. Thank you.